Hi everyone, this is Janelle from the Customer Success Team at Funnel, and today I wanted to show you how to use the truncate logic when creating a custom field. So say for example, we have the data source name here, and we want to trim off this pipe and the country code off of the end of this. Or for another example, we have the campaign here, but we just want to have it say frequent instead of including the flyers at the end. So we can jump into the Dimensions tab, create a new dimension from scratch, and then I can call this truncate example 1. And then we scroll down to rules for all data and then click on rule with condition. And then for the first one, for the data source name, where we want to trim off the country code, we can just put when the data source name is not empty, then we can set it to the value of the data source name and truncate it by 15. You can also choose whether you want to have the 3 dots at the end. I'm going to choose to not have that ticked off, and then go ahead and create it. Then we can jump back to create dimension, and then we can do the one for example number 2, truncate example 2, where we take into account ticking off flyers after frequent flyers. So say when the campaign is not empty, then we can take the value of campaign, but we can truncate it, and then we can set this to 8. And once again, I won't have the last 3 characters replaced with ... But if you would like to have that, please go ahead and check that off. And then we can go ahead and save this, and then jump into Data Explorer. And then we can reload since we just created those 2 fields. And then we can go into our custom fields here and bring in the 2 custom dimensions we just created. And then there you have it. Then you can truncate and remove this, and then you can go ahead and remove the flyers after frequent like that as well. Feel free to play around with it, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@funnel.io or through our in-app chat. Bye!